You've got cash in hand, and you want it in your Monese account, right? But how do you actually do that? I mean, it's a digital bank, so cash and digital don't exactly sound like they mix. Well, guess what? It's totally possible. And I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. Stick around, because this is about to get real. Let's talk about Monese for a second. It's one of those modern banking apps that promise convenience and flexibility. You can do everything from sending money to friends to paying bills, all from your phone. But what about when you have cold, hard cash? Does Monese accept that? Absolutely. Now, there are a few different ways to deposit cash into your Monese account. I'm going to break it down for you, step by step. The first method is probably the most convenient, especially if you're in a pinch. It involves something called PayPoint. You've probably seen those bright yellow signs in your local convenience store or newsagent. Well, those places are your cash deposit hotspots. To deposit cash using PayPoint, you'll need your Monese app, obviously. Open it up and find the Add Money section. There, you'll see an option for PayPoint. Tap on that, and the app will generate a barcode for you. Take a screenshot of that barcode, or just keep your phone handy. Now, head to your nearest PayPoint location. Show the cashier the barcode and hand over your cash. It's as simple as that. In most cases, the money will show up in your Monese account instantly. How cool is that? But what if you don't have a PayPoint nearby? Don't worry, there's another option. You can deposit cash at the post office. This method is a bit slower, but it's still pretty straightforward. Again, you'll start in your Monese app, go to the Add Money section, and choose the post office option. You'll get a reference number. Take that reference number to your local post office and tell them you want to make a cash deposit into your Monese account. Hand over the cash and the reference number. Usually, it takes about a business day for the money to reach your account. Not as fast as PayPoint, but it gets the job done. So, there you have it. 2 easy ways to deposit cash into your Monese account. Whether you're dealing with spare change or a bigger amount, these methods should cover you. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about a couple of things to keep in mind. First, there might be limits on how much cash you can deposit at once. Check your Monese app or their website for the exact details. Second, there might be fees involved, depending on the amount you're depositing and your Monese plan. So, it's always a good idea to check the fee structure beforehand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.